In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an AI agent on Gumloop 2025 tutorial. We'll build a reliable email assistant that drafts responses for you, step by step. Start by logging into Gumloop and selecting Create Workflow. Give your workflow a clear name so it's easy to find later. For example, AI Email Assistant, Draft Replies. Descriptive names help you track versions as you improve the system. Next, decide how the workflow will receive emails. You can test with manual input, set up email forwarding, connect Gmail or Outlook if that integration is available, or trigger the workflow with a webhook. If you're just getting started, keep it simple and add an input step with 3 fields: email/subject, email body, and sender email. This makes it easy to feed in real-world examples without wiring up your inbox yet. Before using AI, clean and prepare the content. Add a text cleanup or format step to remove signatures, normalize spacing, and extract the main message. Clean input leads to better understanding, fewer hallucinations, and more accurate replies. Now classify the email with AI. Add an AI classification step with a short prompt that asks the model to return a single category such as sales inquiry, customer support, appointment request, general question, or spam. Keeping the output to only the category makes it easy to route the email. With the category in hand, add conditional logic using if and else. For example, if it's a sales inquiry, route to a sales reply; if it's support, draft a troubleshooting response; and if it's spam, ignore it or tag it. This is where your assistant starts to think and take the right path. Next, generate a draft. Add an AI text generation step and prompt it to write a professional, friendly reply with a warm, clear, and concise tone. Instruct it not to make promises, to ask clarifying questions when needed, and to reference the cleaned email body. You can optionally match brand voice, limit the length to 3 to 5 sentences, or include a simple call to action. Build in safety rules. Tell the model not to send emails automatically, not to discuss pricing unless approved, not to make legal commitments, and to request confirmation when unsure. These guardrails keep everything on brand and low risk. Decide where the draft goes. You can save a draft to Gmail, send it to Google Docs, post it to Slack for review, or store it in a CRM or sheet. A best practice is draft, human review, then send. Test with real emails. Paste samples, review the drafts, refine prompts and rules, and tune tone and accuracy. Iteration quickly improves results. When you're confident, layer in advanced options like auto tagging, lead extraction, priority